single molecule can help your skin heal faster, look plumper and better, as well as make your arteries more flexible as you age. Well, that's what scientists are now discovering with NAD+. And you're gonna wanna stick around for this because this research is absolutely mind-blowing. I mean, there's a reason why I inject NAD+ twice a week. I'll be honest, I too was skeptical about NAD. Is it really gonna affect my NAD levels? Are they really gonna go up? Is my body really gonna use it? But after I started NAD, I saw some major changes happening. And the first change I saw was my skin healing. And after this study, I was like, it's gotta be the NAD. It's gotta be the NAD, because remember guys, I was healing after my microneedling in 2 days. Okay, it's usually 3 to 5. But what I did notice was that after I microneedled, I healed in 2 days instead of 3 to 5. And not only that, my energy level went up. I felt more focused. My skin was looking better. And so I started to say, well, maybe there's some real science to this after all. So what is NAD? Well, it is a coenzyme and a signaling molecule. I like to think of it as a rechargeable battery for your cells, because when levels run low, you're kind of stuck in this like low power mode. You have less glow, slower healing, even brain fog, kind of like when you're losing battery power. Restoring NAD is like plugging your cells back in for a full night's recharge. NAD is responsible for over 500 processes in the human body, from turning food into energy to repairing damaged DNA and rebuilding the skin. I found out that we lose 50% of our NAD levels. 50% of our NAD levels between the ages of 40 and 60. Because I knew, right? 40 to 60, I lose 50% of my NAD. My cells don't repair as quickly. My skin loses its bounce. My arteries are becoming stiffer. I knew like all these aging damages were happening. Let me tell you about the science, because you're gonna be blown away. There were several studies done between 2019 and 2023. And those studies showed us a lot about NAD. And what they showed is that it improved inflammation markers, it like lowered inflammation, it improved heart health function in people who were in heart failure. That means it has an impact on our organs. But the 2025 study, listen guys, this was a clinical trial in Japan. And what they did was they looked at patients who had a genetic marker for accelerated aging. They put them on NAD supplementation for 26 weeks. And what they saw was that, man, they found a lot of stuff. First, their NAD levels went from baseline to 40% higher. And then their skin benefits also. They had faster wound healing compared to the other group who didn't take NAD. Their heart benefits went up. They had less artery stiffness. They had, better heart function, whereas the other group went down. NAD supplementation made arteries less stiff and it made skin heal faster. And this was shown in the study. Remember, skin is our largest organ. If you want a real-time display of your internal cells, take a look in the mirror, because NAD drives that DNA repair. It drives collagen synthesis. It protects your cells from stress. And we see this in the recent trial. More NAD meant faster wound healing, it meant healthier looking skin, and it meant healthier arteries, all from the inside out. And it turns out that aging really is just our body doing a bad job of cleaning up the damage that it has accrued. And what this NAD does is it helps our body clean out that damage. The study found that taking in our supplements, that's not NAD injections, was super safe for everyone. Now, NAD injections will do the same thing, but some people don't tolerate them as well. So I'm gonna put a bunch of supplementation links in the description box of like actual scientific backed, third-party tested supplements that will work. Remember to always consult with your doctor before you're starting any supplements or injection routines, because you want to make sure that you're doing it right. But NR was shown to be super safe. NAD has been shown to be super safe for most people. With NR, it was actually safer than placebo, which shows a lot. So let me recap real quick. So boost NAD, whether it's through supplementations or injections, like I do, it will increase your skin and heart health. So I want to hear from you. Are you up on this NAD yet? What do you think of the latest science? Drop your skincare and wellness questions below. I am always so happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-based anti-aging hacks, because thriving at any age truly starts inside. And I'll see you next time on Club with Shelly.